First unit, there is one important concept, plant layout. First of all, I would like to explain about plant. What do you mean by plant? A plant is also known as factory. A plant is a place where men or people, materials, machinery and equipment, etc. All these are the resources. All these resources are brought together for manufacturing of a particular product. A plant is a place where all the resources are brought together for producing a particular product. Next, coming to the layout, plant layout. In simple words, I can say like this. The definition is plant layout is the arrangement of missions. Important resources are the missions, so that each operations are carried out on missions. Each operation is performed at the point of greatest convenience. In other words, we can say plant layout is the arrangement of all the physical facilities, arrangement of materials, arrangement of departments, arrangement of missions within the available space. Therefore, it is also, plant layout is also defined as the arrangement of different missions and plant services within the factory or plant, so that greatest possible output of high quality at a minimum cost and with minimum inter-transportation is attained. What do you mean by inter-transportation? Inter-transportation means transportation between the two departments is nothing but the inter-transportation. With the help of good plant layout design, management people are going to optimize the distance between the departments based on the frequency of movements or frequency of movements of products or materials. This is about the plant layout. Next, related word is plant location. Plant location means it refers to the choice of the region where men, materials, money, machinery and equipment all are brought together for setting up a business or factory. A plant is a place where the cost of the product is kept low in order to get maximum gains. Before establishing any plant or factory, what are the factors we are going to consider? What are the factors influencing your plant location? This is I would like to discuss briefly. Factors influencing plant location. Some of the important parameters are availability of raw material. Raw material should be nearer to the plant. This is the first and foremost factor influencing on plant location. For example, coal-based thermal power plant for Vijayawada thermal power station is located to the Singareni college. Through the railways, coal is transported from college to the power plant. And for every thermal power plant, it requires some inputs. That means in thermal power plant, usually there will be produced some electricity. How the electricity will be produced? They need some turbines. For rotating turbine, it requires some energy, heat energy. To develop heat energy, it requires some burning of fuel. Coal is one of the fuel used in thermal power plants. By burning fuel, we can generate some heat. With that heat, we can produce steam. That steam can be diverted to the turbines. The turbine rotates, then develops. Finally, ultimately, electricity will be produced. So, the inputs are the water is a input parameter for the thermal power plant. Similarly, coal is the another input parameter. Therefore, the plant should be nearer to the raw material. That is the first and foremost factor influencing a plant location. Coming to the second important is proximity to the market. Factory should be nearer to the markets. Otherwise, uh, there may be a chance of transportation, cost increases, transportation increases. Therefore, it is better to nearer to the market. Next, availability of labor. Some industries need skilled labor, some industries need unskilled labor. So, this is another important factor influencing on plant location. Availability of power, fuel and water. For every organization, every industry or every factory, water is required. Next important parameter, cost of land. Cost of land is high in case of city areas. In case of village side, rural areas, cost of land is cheap. This is another important factor influencing on plant location. Availability of transportation facilities, climatic conditions. What is the example comes under this climatic conditions? Most of the textile industries are located in northern areas, that means northern area of India. So, cotton and textile, Gujarat in Ahmedabad areas, so many factories are there. Because climatic conditions are very, very important for that plants. And some local laws. And if any management wants to improve the products from time to time, then there is scope for future expansion of the existing plant. So with that aspect, it requires more area of land before establishing a factory in a particular region. Depending upon the management decision, also it depends future expansion, scope for future expansion. By considering all these factors, finally that region will be identified. That means selection of the site for establishing any factory. Next important concept is the objectives of plant layout. Objectives are nothing but the uses of plant layout. First point is to produce better quality of product with the minimum cost. Good plant layout is needed. Next, coming to the second point, for maximum utilization of the floor space. The goal of every plant layout is efficient utilization of the available space, so that all the facilities are arranged within the available space. Because cost of land is high. Next, third is to minimize the internal transportation between the departments, and also improved material handling. What is the purpose of material handling? The purpose of material handling is used to transport some items or materials from one place to the other, because material handling is needed. So, to design material handling equipment, some good layout is needed. Next, fourth point is to avoid the accidents or to minimize the accidents to the workers. Good layout is required. And also, for minimizing the production delays and the production control, good layout is required. And also for future expansion purpose, we need some space for producing a variety of products. Therefore, with that future concept, we have to arrange the existing facilities. Also, for avoiding the wastage efforts and improve the speed of the production facilities, good layout is needed. Similarly, to have a better working conditions and neatness, good layout is needed. If the working conditions are good, means workers may do their work more time. And good lighting, good ventilation is also needed. And also, for avoiding unnecessary changes of the production facilities, good plant layout is needed.